Many new SOC analysts treat severity and priority as the same thing, but they are fundamentally different, and understanding this distinction is critical for effective incident response. So, what is severity? Severity tells us how bad is it. Severity measures the potential impact of an incident, and it is based on technical factors. Critical severity alert could lead to complete system compromise, data breach, or business shutdown. High severity alert tells us significant security control bypass or sensitive data exposure, whereas medium severity alerts have limited impact and affects non-critical systems, and low severity alerts have minimal risk and typically informational. Now, priority is about how quickly must we respond, and it determines the urgency based on business context. A critical severity issue on a test server might be a low priority. However, a medium severity issue on the CEO's laptop during a merger might be high priority. A high severity vulnerability with no active exploitation could be medium priority. Now imagine detecting a critical SQL injection vulnerability, and that's high severity. But if it is on an isolated development database with no real data, the priority drops to medium. However, if the same vulnerability is detected on your customer payment portal, then the severity as well as the priority becomes high and you respond immediately. So the key takeaways in this video is severity is technical and objective, whereas priority is contextual and considers business impact, affected assets, timing, and available resources. Great analysts assess both the severity and the priority to make smart, triage decisions. Please hit like button if you understood the difference between severity and priority, and subscribe to my channel for more such cybersecurity concepts breakdown.